A very warm welcome to you as we embark on understanding the fundamental principles of cybersecurity. I am delighted and excited to be lecturing you on this very important topic. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. It encompasses technologies, processes, and practices that are designed to safeguard digital assets. The goal of cybersecurity is to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. It encompasses technologies, processes, and practices that are designed to safeguard digital assets. The goal of cybersecurity is to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate, consistent, and trustworthy. Techniques such as data validation, checksums, and digital signatures help maintain data integrity. Monitoring for unauthorized modifications and implementing data backups are essential for preserving data integrity. Availability ensures that systems and data are accessible when needed. Redundancy, fault tolerance, and disaster recovery plans help maintain availability. Distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks are a common threat to availability and must be mitigated. Authentication verifies the identity of users and ensures that they have the necessary permissions. Passwords, biometrics, multi-factor authentication, and single sign-on are common authentication methods. Strong authentication mechanisms are essential to prevent unauthorized access. Authorization determines what actions users are allowed to perform within a system or application. Role-based access control, RBAC, and attribute-based access control, ABAC, are common authorization models. Regularly reviewing and updating access controls help prevent unauthorized activities. Accountability holds individuals responsible for their actions and activities within a system. Logging, auditing, and monitoring tools help track user activities and detect suspicious behavior. Establishing clear policies and procedures for accountability is essential for cybersecurity. Resilience ensures that systems can withstand and recover from cyber attacks or failures. Incident response plans, business continuity plans, and disaster recovery plans help enhance resilience. Regular testing and simulation exercises are crucial to evaluate and improve resilience measures. Least privilege principle states that users should only have access to the minimum resources required to perform their tasks. Limiting user permissions reduces the potential impact of a security breach. Regularly reviewing and updating user privileges help enforce the least privilege principle. Defense in depth is a layered security approach that employs multiple security controls to protect systems. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems, antivirus software, and security patches are examples of defense in-depth measures. By implementing multiple layers of defense, organizations can better protect against sophisticated cyber threats. Continuous monitoring involves regularly monitoring systems, networks, and data for security threats. Intrusion detection systems, security information and event management, SIEM, tools, and threat intelligence feeds aid in continuous monitoring. Real-time alerts and incident response capabilities are essential for promptly addressing security incidents. User awareness training educates employees about cybersecurity best practices and potential threats. Phishing simulations, security awareness campaigns, and regular training sessions help raise awareness. Educated users are the first line of defense against social engineering attacks and other cyber threats. Patch management involves regularly applying security patches and updates to software and systems. Vulnerability scanning, patch testing, and deployment processes are essential components of patch management. Failure to patch known vulnerabilities can leave systems exposed to cyber attacks. Secure configuration involves configuring systems and devices securely to reduce attack surfaces. Disabling unnecessary services, changing default passwords, and implementing secure network configurations are key aspects of secure configuration. Regular security assessments and configuration audits help identify and remediate security weaknesses. Data protection focuses on safeguarding sensitive data from unauthorized access or disclosure. Data encryption, data masking, data loss prevention, DLP, solutions, and data classification tools aid in data protection. Implementing data protection measures helps organizations comply with data privacy regulations and prevent data breaches. Incident response involves detecting, responding to, and recovering from security incidents. Establishing an incident response team, defining incident response procedures, and conducting post-incident reviews are essential for effective incident response. Timely response and containment of security incidents help minimize the impact on an organization. Compliance refers to adhering to legal, regulatory, and industry standards related to cybersecurity. Data protection regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS impose specific requirements on organizations. Compliance frameworks provide guidelines for implementing security controls and best practices. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks to an organization's information assets. Risk assessments, threat modeling, and risk treatment plans help manage cybersecurity risks effectively. Understanding the organization's risk tolerance and prioritizing risk mitigation efforts are essential for risk management. Collaboration involves sharing threat intelligence, best practices, and resources with other organizations. Information sharing platforms, industry partnerships, and collaborative security initiatives enhance cybersecurity capabilities. By working together, organizations can collectively strengthen their cyber defenses and respond to cyber threats more effectively. The fundamental principles of cybersecurity provide a framework for building a strong security posture. Implementing these principles helps organizations protect against cyber threats and safeguard their digital assets. Continual reassessment and adaptation of cybersecurity measures are essential to address evolving threats in the digital landscape.